What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of civil engineering. Not just the textbook stuff, but the cool, real-world applications that are shaping the future. We're talking bridges that seem to defy gravity, skyscrapers that touch the clouds, and sustainable systems that are changing the way we live. If you've ever looked at a massive dam or a complex highway interchange and wondered, how did they build that? This video is for you. We're going to break down the different career paths in civil engineering, from the classic roles you know to the unexpected opportunities you might not. Get ready to explore the skills you'll need to succeed, the steps to land your dream job, and the exciting future of this ever-evolving field. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the foundation, the classic civil engineering roles you've probably heard of. First up, we've got the structural engineers. These are the masterminds behind safe and stable buildings, bridges, and other structures. They're like the architects of strength and durability, making sure everything is built to last. Think of them as the guardians against gravity. Next, we have the project managers. These folks are the conductors of the construction orchestra, keeping everything on track and within budget. They juggle timelines, resources, and teams of people to bring those impressive projects to life. Organization and communication are their superpowers. And let's not forget about the geotechnical engineers. They're the groundbreakers, literally. They analyze soil and rock conditions to design foundations that can support massive structures. They're the ones who make sure your skyscraper doesn't sink into the ground. Talk about an important job. These classic roles form the backbone of civil engineering, and they're always in high demand. But hold on, because civil engineering isn't just about concrete and steel anymore. It's about creating a sustainable and resilient future, and that's where things get really interesting. Think about it. As our cities grow and the effects of climate change become more apparent, we need innovative solutions. We need engineers who can design eco-friendly buildings, develop efficient transportation systems, and protect our precious water resources. That's why in the next chapter, we're going beyond the concrete jungle to explore the unconventional side of civil engineering. The careers that are shaping a better tomorrow. We'll be back after a quick break, so don't touch that dial. Welcome back, builders of the future. Now, let's break free from the ordinary and explore the unconventional side of civil engineering. These are the careers that are pushing boundaries and tackling some of the world's biggest challenges. First up, we have sustainability consultants. These eco-warriors are all about minimizing the environmental impact of construction projects. They're experts in green building materials, renewable energy sources, and reducing waste. They're like the environmental conscience of the construction industry. Next, we have transportation planners. They're the architects of smooth and efficient transportation systems. They design roads, bridges, and public transit systems that keep people and goods moving. In a world grappling with traffic congestion and pollution, their role is more critical than ever. And let's not forget about water resources engineers. These guardians of our most precious resource design and manage systems that provide clean and safe water to communities. They're on the front lines of addressing water scarcity, ensuring that future generations have access to this vital resource. These unconventional roles showcase the expanding scope of civil engineering. It's not just about building bigger and taller anymore. It's about building smarter and more sustainably. But here's the thing. Whether you're drawn to the classic roles or the unconventional paths, you'll need a solid set of skills to succeed. In the next chapter, we'll equip you with the essential tools you need for a successful civil engineering career. We're talking problem solving, communication, and of course a healthy dose of creativity. Stay tuned because things are about to get technical. Alright, future engineers, let's get down to business and talk about the skills you need to thrive in this field. First and foremost, you've got to have a mind for problem solving. Civil engineering is all about finding practical and innovative solutions to complex challenges. Think of it like this. You're faced with a problem, like designing a bridge across a raging river. You need to consider factors like the weight of the bridge, the force of the water, and the stability of the ground. It's like a giant puzzle, and you need to use your analytical skills to piece it all together. But it's not all about equations and calculations. Communication is key. You'll be working with a diverse team of architects, contractors, and other engineers, so you need to be able to clearly communicate your ideas and collaborate effectively. Remember, a successful project relies on everyone being on the same page. And speaking of teamwork, let's talk about the importance of networking. Building relationships with other professionals in the field is crucial. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and don't be afraid to reach out to experienced engineers for advice. You never know where a connection might lead you. But wait, there's more. In today's digital age, you've got to be tech-savvy. Familiarize yourself with engineering software like AutoCAD and Civil 3D. These tools are essential for designing, analyzing, and visualizing your projects. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the essential skills that will set you up for success in the world of civil engineering. But how do you actually break into this competitive field? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In the next chapter, we'll share practical tips on landing your first civil engineering job, from internships to networking opportunities. Stick around, your dream career awaits. Okay, you've got the skills, you've got the passion. Now it's time to land that dream job. First things first, let's talk about internships. Think of internships as your testing ground, your chance to apply what you've learned in the classroom to real-world projects. Look for internships at engineering firms, construction companies, or even government agencies. It's a chance to gain valuable experience, network with professionals, and potentially even secure a full-time job offer after graduation. Speaking of networking, remember those professional organizations we mentioned earlier? Joining groups like the American Society of Civil Engineers, ASCE, can open doors to job opportunities, mentorship programs, and valuable industry connections. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted resume and cover letter. Highlight your skills, your experience, and your passion for civil engineering. Make sure it's clear, concise, and tailored to each specific job you apply for. But here's a pro tip. Don't just tell them, show them. Create a portfolio of your projects, even if they're from school assignments. It's a tangible way to demonstrate your skills and creativity to potential employers. And remember, the job search can be a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't land your dream job right away. Keep applying, keep networking, and keep that passion for civil engineering alive. Now let's fast forward to the future. In the final chapter, we'll explore the exciting trends shaping the future of civil engineering, from smart cities to climate change solutions. Get ready to be inspired. Hold on tight, because the future of civil engineering is going to be a wild ride. We're talking about innovations that sound like they're straight out of a science fiction movie. First up, we have smart cities. Imagine cities that are connected, efficient, and sustainable. We're talking about intelligent transportation systems that reduce traffic congestion, buildings that generate their own energy, and sensors that monitor everything from air quality to water usage. And with climate change becoming an increasingly urgent issue, civil engineers are on the front lines of developing innovative solutions. We're talking about designing flood-resistant infrastructure, developing renewable energy sources, and creating sustainable transportation systems. But it's not just about solving problems. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're talking about three-dimensional printed buildings that can be constructed in a matter of days, self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks, and even space-based infrastructure. The future of civil engineering is all about using technology and innovation to create a more sustainable, resilient, and awe-inspiring world. And the best part? You can be a part of it. So there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting and ever-evolving world of civil engineering. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through the world of civil engineering. I hope this video has inspired you to consider a career in this dynamic and rewarding field. Remember, civil engineers are the builders, the innovators, and the problem solvers who are shaping the world around us. From designing sustainable cities to tackling climate change, the possibilities are limitless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building a better future.